Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make chicken jalfrezi. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken, cut into 1-inch pieces. Prepare 2 large onions, 3 bell peppers, and 2 ripe tomatoes, all roughly chopped. Don't forget your ginger garlic paste, a couple of green chilies, and a selection of aromatic spices to build that incredible flavor profile. This preparation sets the stage for a truly delicious meal. Next, let's start cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large pan or wok over medium-high heat. Add your chicken pieces and brown them for about 5 to 7 minutes, ensuring they get a lovely golden hue. Then, stir in 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger garlic paste and 2 finely chopped green chilies. Cook this aromatic mixture for just 1 minute until fragrant, creating a wonderful base for our jalfrezi. Now it's time to infuse our dish with incredible flavor. Stir in 1 teaspoon each of ground turmeric, cumin, and coriander powder, cooking for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Add your chopped onions and bell peppers, sautéing them until they soften slightly, which usually takes around 5 minutes. Finally, incorporate the diced tomatoes and a half cup of water, allowing everything to simmer gently for 10 minutes to develop a rich, deep sauce. For the grand finale, let's perfect our chicken jalfrezi. Stir in 1/4 cup of fresh chopped cilantro and a generous squeeze of fresh lime juice for a bright, zesty finish. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper to your personal preference, ensuring every bite is perfectly balanced. Serve your delicious, homemade chicken jalfrezi hot with fluffy basmati rice or warm naan bread for an unforgettable meal. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.